This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salads only way. Start by selecting waxy potatoes, boiling them until just tender, cooling slightly, then dicing into even pieces. Use salted water and keep skins on for texture if desired. Prepare a simple dressing of mustard, vinegar, oil, and a pinch of sugar, then gently fold potatoes and dressing to avoid mashing, tasting, and adjusting seasoning as you go. Make a dressing that complements the potatoes without overpowering them, mixing Dijon mustard, vinegar, neutral oil, salt, and pepper. Whisk dressing until slightly emulsified so it clings to potato pieces, then fold gently to coat. Taste and tweak acidity or sweetness in small increments. Let the salad rest briefly so flavors meld, and always add delicate herbs like parsley or chives at the end to keep their color and aroma bright. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support more helpful cooking guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long days standing in the kitchen and comfy cleanup runs. I find a reliable pair makes meal prep way more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that helps you, now let's get back to the video. Texture makes a potato salad memorable, so combine creamy potatoes with crunchy celery, pickles, or onion for contrast. Fold in chopped hard-boiled eggs or cooked bacon for savory depth, and mix in a small portion of whole potato chunks to maintain bite. Use fresh herbs and a few capers or cornichons for bursts of brightness, then chill briefly to let flavors marry, ensuring each spoonful has balanced texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.